What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and I'm on vacation. I don't have my mic, so it probably sounds a little funny. So we just gonna barrel through this, all right? First up, over at Home Depot, we have another in-store clearance. This Ryobi 40 volt shop vac. Now, I reviewed this thing. You can check it out in the upper right-hand corner about maybe a little over a year ago, and it's okay. I think I said in the video, like, I wouldn't pay more than $50 or $60 for this. $80, all right, I'd be happy, but anything more than that, no. Because the suction is not that strong. Well, in Upper Marlboro again, I'm really thinking they're closing that store. I feel like I need to visit. It's $50, $50.03. So if you in the DC area, have at it over there, Upper Marlboro. Got yourself a Ryobi shop back for $50. Now, obviously, this will work in other places too. You just need to check this listing. I'll leave it in the description. And if it's on clearance near you, it'll say see in-store clearance price at your local store. So you might have to shop around between them. Moving on, we have Ryobi Days. So the Memorial Day specials are kicking off. You get for $199 two 4 amp hour high output batteries, a 2 amp hour high output battery, and a charger on a BOGO. So let's check out the BOGOs. And you have some decent tools. You have that high speed ratchet. You got a brad nailer, which is crazy, a hammer drill, an impact wrench, a compact 3/8 impact wrench at that, so super compact, a 6.5 inch circular saw cutoff tool, vacuum, and some cordless pruners. So, if you were to add something that was $199 like this vacuum, it'll make the vacuum $100 and this kit $100. So you could play around with that if you wanted something from this bunch. I'd say the nailer, the ratchet, the vacuum. Don't think that this will vacuum your whole house if you got carpet. Like it's probably like 45 CFM. It does great on hardwood. Those corners, those hard to reach areas, because it's lightweight, it stands up on its own, but it's not going to dig deep into your carpet like a high-end Shark or some commercial vacuum or something like that. But it's a good vacuum. I have it. Moving on, we have this DeWalt kit right here. So you have this compact hammer drill with this 3 amp hour battery, a charger in the bag for $129. Really great deal there. And it's a little powerful drill, slow, but it's a little powerful drill. Then we have this Milwaukee nailer. It's on a BOGO. So really what it is, if you buy this starter kit, so let's just go over to the starter kit. That will actually make more sense. So we go to the starter kit and we look up all the things that you can get for free on a BOGO. You have the rocket light, you have the inflator, you have the grease gun, a blower, hammer drill, grinder, router, jigsaw. Some pretty good things. Ooh, and the mid-torque impact wrench, $299. And you can get the bundle any of these things. Let's add this impact wrench though. Wow, this thing breaks down to be $135, y'all. $135. That is crazy for that mid torque. So there you go. There you go right there. Let's go move on over to Lowe's because I can't make this video real long. We have this Craftsman starter kit on a BOGO, $99. 4 amp hour battery, 2 amp hour battery, charger, and then you get to choose from a free gift. Some pretty good gifts, all things considered, for $99. A 6.5 inch circular saw, oscillating tool, reciprocating saw, a ratchet, angle grinder, orbital sander, jigsaw, the little handheld vacuum, mosquito repellents. There's all types of stuff over here, man. You can keep going. So $99, that's a great deal. Then they have a bulkier combo over here with the 6 amp hour battery and a 4 amp hour battery. It looks like that 6 amp hour battery might have something else going on with, like, its high output or something. Then you have the more bigger tools like this drill, this blower, this impact driver, another better angle grinder. You have a planer. Is that a planer? No, that's just a cutoff tool. Jigsaw, belt sander, reciprocating saw, a 7.25 inch circular saw, an impact wrench. It's like the size of a mid-torque, but has the specs of a compact though. And the oscillating tool for $149, also a great deal. Moving on, we have this Cobalt BOGO. And it's a weird one. Is you get an impact driver kit, 2 amp hour battery, charger in the bag, Then it comes with a free tool. So you can get an angle grinder, a reciprocating saw, a job site blower, a light, this right angle impact wrench. I don't like this because it doesn't have modes, but it is powerful, but it don't have modes. Heat gun, router, all types of stuff. Look, it's too much to name. A polisher, too much to name. 149. I think that's almost like a glitch. This doesn't even make any sense. It's a lot of tools for that money. So check that out as well. And then we have this Bosch Pro Factor job site table saw. Think about this. So you have the DeWalt table saw for $329 on a BOGO. $329 it comes with a stand, right? This is, and that's corded. This is $449, precise, powerful. $449, and it comes with two 4-amp-hour batteries, yeah, or you can get a charger and a battery. Get the two 4-amp-hour batteries, obviously, and then just buy you a charger for just $120 extra. I will go this route personally. I will go this route, more portable. You know what I'm saying? So there you have that. Then you also have this Bosch Pro Factor hammer drill. $199 with an 8-amp-hour battery and a charger. Crazy deal there. This is one of the better drills on the market, period. Like, this is better than the Milwaukee. Okay, so really, really good hammer drill. It has this little thing on the side where you can insert a Bluetooth dongle. You can get those off of Amazon for like $20. And insert it in there. You can control it and reprogram it with your phone, and it'll make sure you get your angles. It's a little light. You say, hey, I need a 90-degree angle, and when you're holding that 90-degree angle, this will light up green. Really good drill. It has a whole lot of features. Too many to start naming this video that need to be short. $199, great deal. Then we have the Metabo HPT 2-gallon air compressor. People usually go crazy over this when it drops down to $299. And it's on a BOGO. So $299 with a starter kit, so a charger and a battery. Then I know I mentioned this last video. I'm going to keep mentioning it until the price change on July 31st. This DeWalt XR oscillating tool. Again, this alone is like normally $129, $150, $149. You getting a dinky battery, but it'll work. Charging a bag for $99. This alone for $99 is insane. It's a run and go buy it price. But as a kit for $99, that's insane. Crazy. Then we also have this again. This hammer drill and rapid charger bag, an 8-amp-hour battery, 2-amp-hour battery, and an impact driver, 3-speed transmission over here. Of course, you got all the modes on this impact driver, $299. And as a comparison, the Milwaukee has lowered their price. It's a new lower price now. It's $349 for theirs. Okay, you get two 5-amp-hour batteries over here, and their 5-amp-hour batteries are okay. Their 6-amp-hour batteries are better, but you're getting still 10-amp-hours of battery over here with the rapid charger, $299. This is better. All right, it's a good deal. And lastly, I wanted to show you guys, Metabo HPT does have some new tools out. They have a new oscillating tool. They have this inflator. And I didn't mention, I forgot to, over here at Lowe's, don't forget your racket. You see that pulsating. Use the link in the description to sign up. If you're new, you'll get a bonus $30 on top of the 3% cash back. But if you've already done that, check out Retail Me Not, because they're offering 6% cash back. They do the same thing over at Acme Tools. And Metabo HPT has an inflator out now. They're gunning for DeWalt. All right, so let's just talk about a few of the differences here. This is 7.2 pounds. This is 6 pounds. The cords on here are longer. This says AC and DC, but I don't see anything over here on it or in the pictures that show AC attachments. It says onboard storage. And you can buy this from Lowe's too, and it has more pictures. But it's $129, but it's on sale at Acme Tools. If you spend $100, you'll get extra $20 off with code DEALHPT. So this is actually $109, cheaper than DeWalt's $139. So yeah, they're gunning for DeWalt. So you're able to use this with the cigarette lighter, plug it into an AC outlet in the house, and also with battery. And that is it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. If you got any value from this video, I ask that you like, leave me a comment, subscribe so you don't miss any deals in the future, and I will see you guys next time.